Hey guys, and welcome to this episode where I'll share how quick and easy it is to install the Divi theme. We'll break this video up into 3 steps. The first step, download the Divi theme from Elegant Themes. Step 2, upload the theme to WordPress. And step 3, we'll register the theme to ensure that updates will work. That's it. After these 3 steps, you'll have a Divi site ready for you to build the site of your dreams. First, let's go and get the theme. Head over to elegantthemes.com and click on the account option in the main menu here at the top. Enter your details into the fields and click the member login button. You could also just hit enter after entering your password, as it will do the same thing. Here you should be faced with the Elegant Themes dashboard, where you have access to all their products under one membership fee. As we want to install Divi in this video, let's click download the Divi theme right here and save this to where you would usually save your downloaded files to. In my case, it's my downloads folder. Right, now that we have that downloaded, let's move to step 2 and upload the Divi theme to your WordPress installation. Here I have a fresh WordPress install. Now to add the Divi theme, we head on over to Appearance, Themes. Here you see all the current themes that are currently installed automatically by WordPress. On this installation, you can see that 2020 is currently active. If I show you the front end of this website, you'll see that this is how it currently looks. Now, to add Divi, we need to add a new theme, which you can do either by clicking the small little button at the top left, or you could click the Add New Theme square here. This will display all the WordPress themes that are available in their repository. As Divi is far superior to any of these, let's upload it by clicking on the button Upload Theme here. We would click the Browse button and navigate to the folder that your Divi is installed or downloaded to. Click and hit. After you can see the divi.zip over here, let's click Install Now. The installation can vary depending on your hosting, but once yours is completed and you're faced with this screen over here, click Activate. The Divi is now installed and set as your active theme. We can see that when we view the front end again. You can see Divi is installed. Now, finally, let's head to step 3 and connect your Divi installation to your Elegant Themes account to ensure that you get security and feature updates. If we head back to the Elegant Themes dashboard and click on My Account, and then in the left menu, click on, you'll get to the page where you can generate a new API key. Click the button to generate the new API key, and this is your key that you would need to use. If you use Divi on multiple websites, you may want to name this API key with a name that can help you identify which site it is for. It is optional, but it is a practice that will help you in the long run. In this case, for now, let's just click our API key to copy it, make sure it says copied, head back to your WordPress installation, hover over Divi and click Theme Options. It will do the same if you just click Divi itself, but we want to go into the options. Head over to Updates and enter your API key by hitting Ctrl V or Command V on the Mac. The username at the top here is the same name that you would use to log into your Elegant Themes account. Once you've entered all your details, just click Save Changes, and that is it. You have a working Divi theme ready to be used on your WordPress installation. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please remember to subscribe and whack that like button, as that'll help me produce more content in the future. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.